and in today's video we are going to deliver this package to my friend Feghea. So we are now arriving to Mr. Feghea's office, and he'll unpack his box and he will tell you more about what's inside and what his plan with his Audi S4. And I think he can show us the car today, even though it's not drivable because he just removed the whole front. But you'll get an idea about what he's trying to do with his car, and it will be perfect in my opinion.
We have a new headlight. It's pure perfume, daddy. Baby, 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 baby. Oh yes. Hit me, baby, one more time. Let's open this bitch up and see what eBay had sent us. Did they send us the headlight, the xenon headlight? I'll speak to you about this shit right here in a couple of minutes. Play with this shit. So emotions. So we have here a screw that's not supposed to be here, and another one that it seems like is missing. This one is cracked, but luckily I have a spare one there. So let me see. Oh yeah, baby. This one actually, daddy, this one looks better than the other one, man. It looks straight. The lens is okay. It needs to be polished, but it is a good deal. Thank you, eBay. But you know that is a rev limiter, not to rev it too much. It has a launching program to protect the shitty engine. So daddy, we have arrived to buy the spray, the chrome spray, to make a small touch on the headlight. going to start painting now. To make a small touch over here and over here where the chrome is done. So this is a small technique that I learned from my father. You take this cigarette, you take out the filter outside of it. Let me just put out this shit right here, and you remove the paper out, and now you have just the filter right here. Leave the filter inside and you touch it just like this. Mark the painting where you want. And now if you look from a distance, because as I say you can look to my car from a distance of 5 meters, then it is perfect. Tools. So I believe that I will put on itty bitty miny mo. Okay, so now this one. Okay, so this is perfect. One rubber bushing, the other one, the small ones, the right side of the closet. You daddy, I saw you. Walking in the rain. Oh, you daddy, I saw you. Walking in the rain. Okay. So now that this is on, it's perfect. Clack, clack. It's to go clack, 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 daddy. Final solution. Yes, we are the champions, my friend. And we'll keep on fighting till the end. Do you dig it? Yes, daddy, yes, I dig it. Yes, daddy, thank you for teaching me how to tune my car.
Is that clear or isn't that clear? And that's all, folks.